Welcome to Everyday Problem Solved. So today we're looking at dishwasher maintenance. So when we turn our dishwasher on, you'll see this icon flashing. That means that we need to run a cycle with something like this cleaner through the dishwasher. If your dishwasher doesn't have that flashing icon that was there, then you just need to run it on the longest, hottest setting that your dishwasher can do. So before we do that, we need to take out our tray at the bottom. So you pull out this, and then we take out this part here. What we need to do is give this a clean before we run it through its maintenance cycle. So how we do that is we take this bit off. You can see it's disgusting in there. Give that a clean. And then this part here also needs to be washed. And how we take that bit out is we have these clips here, one clip there and one clip there. Push those together and it slides out. So we give that a clean as well. Let's move to the sink. So let's clean all the inside bits, the filter, all the grime off. And all we do is put it back through here and slot that back on and then put it back in the dishwasher, nice and clean. Before we put our cleaner in, you need to make sure you take this sticky label off. So it shows this section here, and I believe this is wax, and it gets, as the dishwasher gets really hot, this melts, so then all the cleaner comes out. So we put that into here, close that, and then we put it onto the maintenance cycle, so machine care that's here. Push that, you see it's flashing. We push start, and then we shut the door, and then run it on its cycle. When you open it up, you should have a lovely, clean dishwasher. Take out your empty packet, recycle it. And job's done. Problem solved.